In relation to learning, being multi-voiced means being more concerned about what is learned and put into practice than presentational skills, giving attention to diverse learning styles, exploring alternatives to monologue sermons, developing learning communities that know how to wrestle with the biblical text and apply it to their lives. This approach does not abolish preaching, but it dramatically reduces our dependence on preachers. The dominance of the monologue sermon can be traced to the Christendom shift, in which the clergy became more powerful, the laity lost their voice, congregations expanded in size, the architecture of church buildings discouraged participation, spiritual gifts were marginalized, and the failure of the catechetical system made it difficult to sustain multi-voice church life. Another feature of this previous culture shift was the growing desire of church leaders, now fated and financed by the empire, to conform to the norms of classical culture. In this culture, rhetoric was highly regarded, with trained and skilled orators receiving huge popular acclaim. Given its heightened status in society, surely the church needed to produce brilliant orators to match the pagans. It could no longer tolerate the mixed quality of multi-voice participation. And so the emphasis shifted from participation to performance, disempowering all but the orators, and from learning to teaching. Ironically, the Latin word sermo, from which we derive our word sermon, and the Greek word homilia, which has given us the term homily, both originally meant a conversation, but monologues came to dominate the 4th century churches.